Hello beautiful people, today I will be unboxing my Pat McGrath items bought during the recent sale.
So I bought this because I wanted to try the lip pencil and this gloss. It does look quite nice. Let's see the style of the show first. This is the one. And I got it in the limited edition packaging. It's the Mothership VIII Divine Rose 2. So that's and then let's open it. Wow, it does look very nice. So this is the trichrome. This is the one I was mentioning. Take away the bubble wrap. And I bought the Lust Gloss in the color Bronze Divinity. I got this all during the sale. And I had to get this because it was so different. This is the Lip Fetish Lip Balm in Astral Blue Star. It's kind of cute. And this is how it looks. Good. So it feels quite moisturizing and nice. The little sequins have dropped out. Okay, so this is in Flash 5. So cute. Then Permagel Ultra Lip Pencil, and the color is Living Legend, I believe. It's made in Germany. So let's put it beside this, see how it goes. It feels quite smooth. It's my first pencil, so I wanted to buy this to see how it compares to my other brands lip gloss. And this is the Vinyl Lip Gloss in the color Bronze Astral. Look at the shine. Let's see. So the texture wise, it's slightly thicker. I just tried it on my lips. This looks pretty. So let's see how the color is on top of this one, Flash 5. Half of it I should put. And that's the effect. More shine. I must say the lip pencil is long lasting. I use the wet wipe. It's not a makeup remover, it's just a wet wipe, and it's staying on quite well. And now to swatch this. These are the highlights. Wow, this one feels very smooth. And this is the trichrome. So let's try this. it does look very pretty. So these are the colours. I am looking forward to trying them on my eyes and see what kind of look I can create with this.
Thank you for joining me today. See you at my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.